If you want to quickly change the font size in Gamma app, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you want your text to look bigger, cleaner, or more balanced across your presentation, Gamma gives you a simple way to adjust it without needing any complicated design skills. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. First, open your Gamma presentation and go to the page where the text you want to edit is located. This can be a heading, a paragraph, or any text block inside your design. Once the presentation is open, click directly on the text you want to change. Gamma will highlight the text area and let you know that it is ready for editing. Next, select the text or the full text block depending on what you want to adjust. If you only want to change one word or one sentence, highlight just that part. If you want to change the size for the entire block, click inside the text box so the whole block is active. This is important because the formatting options you see will depend on what exactly you have selected. After that, look for the text formatting toolbar that appears. Gamma usually shows editing controls near the text or in the side panel once the text is selected. In that toolbar, check for the font size option. If the size control is visible, use it to choose a larger font size for better readability or a smaller size if you want the text to fit more neatly on the page. If Gamma shows a font size dropdown or a plus and minus control, you can use that to make fast adjustments. Increase the size to make headings stand out more, or reduce it to keep longer text from overwhelming the layout. A small change can make a big difference in how polished your presentation looks. Now, if you do not see a direct font size option for the selected text, don't worry. Gamma also lets you make broader design changes through the theme editor. This is useful when you want to update the font sizing across your entire presentation instead of just one text block. Open the theme editor and look for typography or text style settings. From there, you can adjust the overall font scale so every heading and paragraph follows the new design style. This is especially helpful if you want a more consistent look across all your slides or pages. Instead of resizing each section one by one, the theme editor can save you a lot of time and keep everything aligned visually. Once you finish changing the font size, take a moment to review the text on your presentation page. Make sure it still looks balanced, easy to read, and properly spaced. If needed, go back and make a few small adjustments until it looks just right. In Gamma, even tiny formatting changes can improve the overall appearance of your content. So, to quickly recap, open your Gamma presentation, click the text you want to edit, select the text or text block, use the formatting toolbar to change the size, and if needed, adjust the theme editor for a wider design update. That's all it takes to change font size in Gamma app. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.